In this video, I'm going to show you how to run a profit and loss report in QuickBooks Online using the new interface, so you can quickly see your income, expenses, and bottom line for any period. Once you're inside your QBO company, use the left menu and click Reports, then stay on Standard Reports and search for Profit and Loss, or scroll to find it and open it. QuickBooks will generate the report with sections for income, cost of goods sold, if you use it, expenses, and the net income line at the bottom. The key step is adjusting the report period at the top. Choose preset ranges like month, quarter, year, or set custom dates to match the exact time frame you're analyzing. If you want deeper detail, click into any number to drill down and see the transactions behind it. This is the fastest way to spot missing entries, miscategorized expenses, or unusual spikes. You can also use the Customize options to compare periods, filter by customer or class if you track them, and switch accounting method if needed. When it looks right, hit Save Customization or Export, print from the top. Subscribe for more QuickBooks walkthroughs that keep your finances clear and stress-free.